Here's how to fix the low system memory error in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, clear your media cache. In Premiere Pro, go to Premiere, Settings, Media Cache. Then click Delete and remove all cached media files. Restart Premiere Pro after clearing the cache, as this often resolves the error. If the issue persists, check your RAM allocation. Go to Premiere, Settings, Memory, and reduce the amount of RAM reserved for other applications. Make sure Premiere Pro has at least 8 GB of available RAM, although 16 GB is recommended for smoother performance. While you're in the memory settings, check your installed RAM. If your computer has less than 8 GB of RAM, upgrading your memory can significantly improve Premiere Pro's performance and prevent memory-related errors. Next, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Other programs consume RAM, leaving less memory available for Premiere Pro. Another effective fix is to delete your render files. Go to Sequence, Delete Render Files to remove old rendered files that may be taking up storage and contributing to memory issues. Finally, restart Premiere Pro and reopen your project. If the error still appears, consider restarting your computer to free up additional system resources before launching Premiere Pro again. These steps resolve most low system memory errors and help Premiere Pro run more smoothly. That's all for this video. Thanks.